how to connect the Galaxy Buds Pro to the Galaxy S26 or 26 Plus or Ultra. So on your Galaxy Buds Pro, make sure you put the earbuds back into the case and have it open. So on the phone here, open it. Once you open it, you can see on the phone it should automatically pops up with this window here. You can tap on the connect button to connect it. Now if for some reason you do not see that window, or if it goes away, then you can swipe down at the top and tap on settings. In settings, tap on connections, then tap on Bluetooth, and in here you can see it shows Galaxy Buds Pro, so tap on that, and here it will tap on pair, it will connect to your phone. Now if you haven't updated the software for the Buds Pro, then it will attempt to download the latest software and update it. And once it is connected, you can tap on Galaxy Buds Pro here from settings or in connections, Bluetooth, and tap on the settings here. In here we can change the codes, audio. You can set block touches on the side here. You can use the auto switch function, and you can set up your earbuds as well here. Tap on that. This will allow you to customize your Galaxy Buds Pro, such as turning on or switching off active noise cancelling or use ambient sound. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.